Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to restore music control page on iPhone control center. So if the music control page is missing on your iOS 18 control center, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily restore this step by step. So if you're done of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to restore the music control page on iOS 18, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center. Press and hold an empty space if you have any on the first screen, or go to the next screen. Press and hold the control center just like this. Then tap Add a control. Once you click on Add a control, now while on the Add control page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Now Playing. Under Now Playing, click on the icon to add a music control page. Now you can make this a full page by just making it big as this, and then you are good to go. So when you are playing music on your iPhone and you want to see it on the control page, you can just swipe down the control center just like this, scroll to the page where the music is located, and then you have access to it, so like this. So that is basically how to restore music control page on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.